try and get this with me. Putting the camera in my jacket. I'm gonna go down to the spot I've been using, where I've gotten some footage of a fox, and some deer. I'm gonna bring with a shovel this time, and food here, because the bloody birds keep eating my food. Now we're gonna go down to the little park. Got the little doggy with as well. She needs a little walkie. Okay. So usually I've been putting camera on that tree, but the fox comes from that side. So I'm wondering if I should pick a different tree. Go further in. Luna! She just peed where I've had feeding place because the fox peed there earlier. Whew. Bit of a faulty snow. Yeah, so this is the old spot. Can use this thick tree here. Do I use that tree? Or do I use that tree? So if I use this one, I can get an angle up to the field. I think I'll do that. Yeah. Damn it! I lost the trail camera. Huh? I lost the trail camera.
You lost it?
Yeah.
How?
In the creek. Yeah. You mean why? I didn't mean it. It fell out of my hand. So, damn it. Yesterday I failed. I'm putting the camera at this spot. I ended up losing it in the creek, and my fiance spent an hour retrieving it and chopping holes with an axe in the ice to get it out. Yeah, so yesterday, just as a trip picked out, I was gonna put the camera on. And then the camera fell down into the water hole here. So my fiance, to chop all of this ice. And the camera had moved 3 meters. I was under the ice when he was gonna grab it. So now, down by where I wanted to be yesterday, but I'm not gonna use that position now because I want to see where the fox and the deer are coming from. So, to go over some barbed wire over the ice and up a hill, and that hill hasn't been stepped on by humans. It's been melting a lot, so I'm guessing I'm gonna fall through the snow. Just have to get over this creek. Very excited, and I know this is gonna be crappy filming and everything, but I'm very excited. I'm very curious to see what I can manage, but I'm terrified of getting wet at the same time. But I guess put the GoPro in my pocket so I don't lose that one. Trail camera, thought I was broken because it fell in the ice, but he managed to fix it today with some hair dryer and screws and rice. So I got up to the area I want to be. There are literally paw prints all over there, which I know are fox, because I've also seen them over there. There are 3 deer running around here. 2 females and a male. Saw them this morning. I'm gonna put it here, put some snow over it so the birds don't take it. I'm gonna use that post to put the camera on. This will be great, I think. Hoping it will be great. We'll see. Camera set up. Food's there. Luna there. I think she's tired. I'm stuck in snow. So, see him there. Usually walk there. Then over there. Saw them this morning. I saw them there. So they walk along that path. But there's also footprints of the fox there. And they use the whole field. There's paw prints over there. And I know they're not Luna because they're too big.